Hello and welcome to another episode of Monumental. We are on episode 40, series 2, and we are off to Llangollen to see the Horseshoe Falls. Isn't that just the cutest little church? Now we're not too far away from Llangollen, and we're just up the river a little bit, and we're here to visit a bit of a touristy attraction. This one, quite popular. It's Horseshoe Falls, and this is I'm pretty sure it's a man-made weir in a horseshoe, which is how they build dams actually, because they're stronger and they deflect the water. So that's why they construct them in that horseshoe, in that horseshoe style. So we're going to have a little look. I parked a bit of a way, so we got a bit of a walk. But I did see the dreaded pay and display car park. I thought it was free. Anyway, it's a really nice. We're in the Dee Valley. We can hear that roaring, can't we? We can hear it, but we can't see it. How many times has that been evident on our adventures? But we'll go down there and have a look. You can just see down there, can't you? Flipping hell, you have to be a mountain goat to climb this. Look how steep it is down there. So there we go, now you know why it's called the Horseshoe Falls, look. The beautiful Horseshoe Falls are built in a unique horseshoe shape, which is over 140 metres long. Its design was simply to create a pool of water that could be diverted and replenish the nearby Llangollen Canal. It was designed by Thomas Telford in 1808, and the canal draws over 12 million gallons of water a day. Where the canal starts as well, here. The water from the canal, as you can see, comes from here, look. So you can see that the water there is being pumped out. So basically what it's doing is taking water from the River Dee and then pumping it into the canal, which heads towards Pontcysllte. So it's quite an effort, that is. So it entraps it and then takes it. So this is the end of the canal. Or is it just the start? So there's the River Dee there. So it is just amazing how they can harness the water flow to top the canal up as well. So I would imagine it is with this pump house here that water is harvested. So it'll tell us a little bit about it here, look. So the river water is sucked in basically, and then so it's pumped back out. So it's actually the valves are computer, so it's always making sure you've got the right amount in the right amount going out to the canal. So that actually is a gigantic big pump house. So this is where it's actually pumped in. So it's taken in there, processed, and then taken out for the... So it knows it's got the exact amount of water that it needs. Any excess goes down the weir. So you can see now the valve has been opened and it's literally sucking the water in. It looks like it's kind of oxygenating it of some kind, or trying to stop debris entering it by loosening it up, so the sluice gates don't actually get blocked up. Now this is a short video, isn't it? But it's part of our bonus episodes of series 2. But I'd like to see you back, so like and subscribe to the channel and look out for the next videos. Thanks for watching.